Howdy guys, I hope you all are enjoying your day or night or evening, whatever it may be for you. And if not, well, I hope it gets better. Mine has been going pretty good. Today's video is on this Amazon Returns mystery pallet I got. I never have bought a mystery pallet. I usually know what I'm getting when I buy stuff. At an auction, when it's liquidated out. From these big retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, JCPenney, all that kind of stuff. So I usually know what I'm getting, but in this case it was a mystery pallet. So you're finding out what came in this mystery pallet. I'll show you what does work, what doesn't work, what needs repair, and what is trash. So first we have this, sorry about my shakiness guys, but I'm going to get close to some of these things, so please bear with me on the shakiness. I shake pretty bad. So first off, we have this Rug Doctor. This is a carpet cleaner. It works good. I tested it out. Has everything that it's supposed to come with. It's a $400 carpet cleaner. Next is a Dirt Devil vacuum. Piece of junk. Like a $35 vacuum. It works. Battery powered Navigator Freestyle Shark vacuum. It works as well. We've got a coffee maker over here. This is about a $189 coffee maker. It does work as well. The only thing wrong with it is there's on this top right here where it holds the beans, there's a plastic piece that is broken a bit. So that either needs to be glued or I need to put a new plastic ring on right there and it will function just fine. Below it is another coffee maker. It is a $223 coffee maker. And when I give you these prices, guys, this is retail price. But it's low retail. I do not ever do a high retail price. Because when someone goes to look these items up when I have them for sale, they're going to see the lowest retail price and be like, hey, you're like jacking that retail price way up. So I don't ever want that to happen. So I do the lowest retail price I can find in most cases. And that way it's fair for everybody. And when I go to mark them down from that low retail price, and it's about half off of that, people get a good deal, because I got a good deal. So, that coffee maker is this one right here. It says espresso. My finger's right in the way. It's the model right there. BC, I think it says. 0430. That's the retail price on it. That's what I have it marked as, what I'm going to try to sell it for. It works fine. Great shape, there was nothing wrong with it, functions properly. Next is this Dyson Vacuum, still in its factory packaging. I got lucky on this one. I like it when the high dollar items are in really good shape and still factory packed. But it's got all of its factory packaging around it still. I tested it out, it works great. There was nothing wrong with it at all. So next are a bunch of AC units. I have not tested any of these for functionality because when I got this pallet, they weren't all standing upright with a refrigerated unit, AC unit, whatever. You do not ever want to plug them in just after transport because the Freon can get sloshed around and not be where it needs to, and you can burn your compressor up and have other issues, and that's the last thing you want. So I typically wait about 3 days before I plug any of this in to make sure everything flows down to where it needs to be. That way I test them properly and don't end up ruining it during my test. So we've got an LG AC unit, 10,000 BTU for a 300 square foot room. There is the model number on it. You guys can look that up if you want to. It's about a $400 AC unit, portable AC unit. Here we have a Honeywell portable AC unit, and it, let's see, I don't know if I can get that or not. It's about a $400 unit as well. Anyway, it's in pretty good shape as well. Both of these are. So what's happened on most of these AC units is a wheel's busted off on the bottom. In this particular case of this one right here, there's the brand. On this one, the casing came off. That's why I have electrical tape around it, just to hold it together. The way that it kind of should be. And a wheel's busted off on it too. But most of the other ones, it's just a wheel, or some of the casing on the outside is dented, which doesn't affect its functionality. It's just cosmetic, and people buy something new, they want it to look good. They don't want it to come out of the box dented up, so they return it, and I get a good deal. And so do you when I sell it. So this is another Honeywell AC unit. It's basically the same thing as this one right over here, just different color. I think this is black on black, and that's black on silver, or black on gray. So it's pretty much the same AC unit. It was leaking a little bit of Freon, I think. I'm not positive. There was like an oily substance kind of on the outside. You might be able to see it a little bit. So I didn't want to get any of that crap all over, so I have a piece of cardboard or paper underneath there to catch that just in case. Somebody just came in hot with their trailer. Sounds like a semi-truck, actually. Kind of weird. But anyway, just getting sidetracked here. Yeah, so that's the Honeywell AC unit. I don't know how many BTUs these are. I don't know if these two are 12,000, 450 square foot room. So 10,000 BTU. Portable AC unit. We have another, actually that one is not Honeywell. Let's see if we can find the brand on that one. That one, oh yes it is. Okay, it is. Same thing. This is the other one, Honeywell, that's a little different. As you can see, this casing's kind of come off. The plastic prongs busted. So I'll need to get some adhesive and glue it all back together so that it stays on the way it's supposed to. I don't like to tape things on. That's just tacky and looks weird. It's better if I just kind of plastic weld it back together. I believe this is another 10,000 BTU AC unit. I think that one's a little less. I think it's $350 unit. The other ones are $400 units. And over here we've got some window AC units. These are Frigidaire for both of them. Cost about the same price. I don't remember what they cost. I think they're, let's see, how many BTUs are these? 12,000 BTU window units. One of them does not, so you can see right here, this one has all the stuff for it to pack in the window. The other one below it on the bottom, right down here, it's a little bit different style, but it did not come with any of that stuff. So I don't like to use it anyway. I like to cut that high-density styrofoam out and put that in instead. But let's see if we can find, figure out what those cost. There we go. You can see the brand, the status is available, the model numbers, and their value, their dollar value. Pause it if you want and take a look. But that's a shot of what everything is valued at. Woo. Okay. I got model numbers or UPCs. I typically do model numbers. It's easier that way. For me at least. I find it easier. But alright, there's our AC units. I don't know if any of them actually work. I'm pretty certain that almost all but one do. The rest is just cosmetic issues in one way or another. So they should all function fine, except for that one that may be leaking Freon. Right over here, this is my repair pile. It's not a whole lot, or totally trash, but I'll get to that in just a second. So right here, this is a little Eureka handheld, like portable vacuum, pet lover. The power switch needs to be fixed on it because it came loose. The power switch on it is down below under here, and it needs to be reattached. And then it should work just fine. Underneath, this was a steamer. It's just totally shot. The plastic casing is really broken on it, and there's just no way to really salvage that. So I'm going to take some of the pads the steam cleaning pads and stuff like that and sell those. Probably on eBay or something. And then this right here is a Hoover Linx. And it is a battery powered vacuum. It does work, but I need to fix some of the contacts on it because, see, you can see it's turned on. You have to have it pushed in and turned just right in order for those. There you go, see? Problems to contact the way that they should. Shouldn't be too hard of a fix though. That's it for the repair. And then here's trash. Or like $5 what I'll sell them for or whatever. This is an Instapot. I'll show you what it looks like when it came. You can see. Let's see. You can see this casing. I can stick my finger between it. Totally separated from it. It was dropped or something. It's all messed up. Whole thing is totally just messed up. Some of the stuff inside of it's just fine. The control panel is fine. So I'll probably just part it out. And then we've got a coffee maker right here. It is broke on this portion right here, so it can still be salvaged. So I'll just sell it cheap. But that's pretty much it, guys. So that's what you get on a Amazon mystery pallet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like this, please let me know, because I do order this stuff. And if you would rather me shoot the video when I first get the pallet and you guys have the enjoyment of unboxing everything and figuring out what it all is at the same time I do, let me know. I can maybe do a live stream video or something like that so that you guys can partake of it at the same time I am. But alright, well, this is Tyson. Have a great day, great night, great afternoon, whatever it is for you. Please subscribe. If you like this, comment below if you have anything to say or ask. And have a great everything.